All right, here we are with page 18, the remote learning math packet. Just want to go over decimal place values real quick. So I have this number 3.456. I know, real creative, right? So the 3 would be in the ones place, the 4 in the tenths place, the 5 in the hundredths place, and the 6 in the thousandths place. So that would be read 3 and 456 thousandths. All right, so just wanted to go over that real quick. So number 1, represent the following fraction as a decimal. Well, this is 2 tenths. All right, so we want to put our 0 in our decimal because it's less than 0, or less than 1. I'm sorry, it's not less than 0, it's less than 1. So 0 and 2 tenths. Okay, so here's our tenths. So we have a 0 in the ones place and a 2 in the tenths place. There we go. Here we have 8 tenths, less than 1. So we have the 0, decimal point, 8 hundredths. So there's nothing in the tenths place and an 8 in the hundredths place. All right, 0 and 8 hundredths. Here we have 40 hundredths. Okay, so we have it's less than 1, so a 0. And then 40 hundredths, 4 would go here, 0 in the hundredths. Okay, now that would be equal, it's read differently, but that would be equal to 0.4. They're the same value. It's a different level of accuracy though. Number 4, represent the following decimal as a fraction. Well, here, this is where I like to think, how would we read it? So we're not going to do the 0 and part. So this would be 5 tenths. 5 tenths. All right, here, 22. Okay, so it'd be like 0 and 22. So it's 22 hundredths. 22 hundredths, 22 hundredths. And here, 73 hundredths. 73 hundredths. 73 hundredths. Okay. Now, number 7, just to save a little time, I wrote these out. 8 tenths, or you could say 0 and 8 tenths. 30 hundredths, or 0 and 30 hundredths. 6 tenths, or 0 and 6 tenths. All right, circle a letter on the number line that best represents. This is 86 hundredths. All right, so we know that it's more than 1/2, so it can't be that one. And 86 hundredths, it's really close to 1. So we're going to go with D as the answer. All right, so now 4 tenths. Number 11. Represent the following fraction in word form. Here we have 3 tenths. Number 12. Circle the letter on the number line that best represents 4 tenths. All right, so it is less than 1/2, so we know it's not that, and we know it's not that. Now, it's less than 1/2, but it's almost 1/2 because 5 tenths would equal 1/2. So it's really close. So B would be the answer. And here, 52 hundredths would be this fraction in word form. And hopefully that helps.